Selena Gomez's plastic surgery rumors distracted us from her significant health issues. Here's how. We frequently hear about plastic surgery and celebrities aren't labeled as plastic for no reason. It's human nature to be curious. It stems from our fascination with the wealthy and famous. Selena Gomez has recently been the subject of several plastic surgery speculations. In this video, we will take a look at how Selena Gomez's plastic surgery rumors distracted us from her significant health issues. Celebrities are constantly in our faces. You will undoubtedly encounter them on a daily basis, regardless of what you do. Waiting in line at the supermarket? They are returning the smile from the magazine rack. You can find them while scrolling through social media, watching TV, or viewing billboards or bus stop signs. Hence, when they appear significantly different, it causes you to hesitate. It might be that they gained weight, changed their hair, or got a nose job, among other things. Selena belongs to a different class of public figures. It is commonly known that she suffers from lupus, a chronic ailment. It is nearly impossible to provide a brief overview of lupus. This is an extremely devastating chronic disorder, but we'll do our best not to become too technical. Lupus is chronic, which implies it occurs on a regular basis. Even when Selena does not appear to be sick, she is sick and will never recover. Lupus has no known cure. Lupus is a type of autoimmune disease. That is because the body cannot distinguish between healthy and harmful tissue. It targets both. Selena's body is practically at odds with itself. Lupus produces antibodies throughout time. They are a bunch of assassins aiming to eliminate whatever in their way. That is exactly what they do. Autoantibodies target healthy cells, organs, and tissues. That causes significant internal harm. Swollen, inflamed, bruised, and exhausted. It's exhausting and excruciating. Selena is one of the 40% of lupus patients who develop lupus nephritis. Her lupus had so severely damaged her kidneys that they could no longer remove waste from her body. She needed a kidney transplant as a result of this, or she would have died. Lupus makes no distinctions inside the body. It destroys the neurological system, the heart, the liver, and everything else. It is incapacitating during flare-ups. There's a comparison photo of Selena from the Wizards of Waverly Place and currently flying around. A 15-year age gap, 15 years old and 31 years old. I hope she has matured and developed her features over the last 15 years. What would it be like if we all still look like we were teenagers? Of course, she appears to be different. Anyone who takes the time to look at Selena's Instagram account will notice that she is incredibly open and honest. She discusses her battles with lupus as well as her mental health. Except for mascara, she rarely wears makeup at home. She is a showstopper when she dresses up for an awards presentation. Very stunning. That is the concept of makeup. To highlight traits and make us feel and look different from our everyday selves. Many seem to forget that as we age, we change. That also applies to celebrities. Some of them do not alter. Those who do usually have plastic surgery. Selena's disease has far too many internal complications for her to undergo unneeded surgery. Selena Gomez was publicly ridiculed for her weight gain in January when fans saw her on the Golden Globes red carpet. There was even talk that she was pregnant. Hardly. This, like now, centers around her illness. This includes a rise in the size of her chest, which dispels claims that Selena had breast augmentation. It got to the point last year where Selena was constantly in pain. When she eventually fell asleep, she awoke to find herself in tears again because her body, every inch of it, hurt so much. The doctor called her after more tests and informed her that her discomfort was caused by lupus and myositis. Gomez had intravenous therapy with the drug Rituxan. Its primary objective is to alleviate her suffering, and it can last up to 2 years. As she shares on TikTok, one of the adverse effects is that her hands shake. They were also really disrespectful about it, commenting on her unsteadiness in her makeup tutorial. Other negative effects of the medicine include fluid retention and edema in the face and hands, according to Healthline. While her chin isn't as noticeable, it's usually because she has full red cheeks. She is experiencing a flare-up. It's astonishing that she's still in the public eye while being so ill. All of this erroneous speculations about the Only Murders star distracts from the very real knowledge and acceptance that celebrities are real people who can and do have awful things happen to them. They have a massive following. Selena alone has 398 million Instagram followers, raising awareness for this issue on her account as opposed to someone with 1,000 followers has a significant impact on others. Not to mention that it can be motivating for others who are dealing with chronic conditions. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.